Good morning, MC Handyman. So, quick update on this job here. Quick walkthrough. We've just been working on the moldings. But before that, we had removed the popcorn ceiling, and two recess lights will be set there in the middle. Something like this. Like that throughout the bedrooms. The popcorn ceiling was removed, and now molding is placed along with the recess lights. Paint will begin next for these bedrooms, and that'll be the next of the popcorn. And the rest of the work that has to be done in this home.